Imagine a college where students don't just learn coding but they live coding. A college where late night hostel discussion are about algorithms, machine learning, research paper and startup ideas. A college that many students consider the most intellectually intense IIT in India. Welcome to IIT Kanpur, the place where some of India's best programmers, researchers and innovators are built. But here is the question, is IIT Kanpur really worth all the hype? Is it better than IIT Bombay or IIT Delhi? How difficult are the academics and what is the reality behind those massive placement packages? Today we are going deep inside IIT Kanpur, not just the browser version but the actual student reality. So stay till the end because this review may completely change how you look at IIT Kanpur. Welcome to Dekho Result official YouTube channel. IIT Kanpur was established in 1959, located in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, spread across more than 1000 acres, making it one of the largest IIT campus in India. Over the years, IIT Kanpur has developed a unique reputation. When students hear IIT Bombay, they think placement. When they hear IIT Delhi, they think startup and industry exposure. But when they hear IIT Kanpur, they think about coding, research, innovations, and tough academics. Many students call IIT Kanpur the nerd capital of India, and honestly, there is some truth behind that statement because IIT Kanpur has built a culture where technical excellence is respected more than almost anything else. So it is also famous for computer science, aeroscope, mathematics, AI and data science and research programs. And there are some of the famous events happening in which developed strong coding skills, research excellence, tough academics and competitive programming. You can also see the picture of IIT Kanpur is displayed here. My academic block is displayed here, and this is the hostel building and academic building. And you can also see the map is also shown here. Now, coming to the next important part, let's talk about the campus. And trust me, it is huge, more than 1000 acres. Unlike urban campus like IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur feels like a complete academic city. The campus offers massive green spaces, modern classroom, research labs, sports complex, open air theatre, swimming pool, and students often describe the campus as calm, research focused, and technically driven. And major facilities inside the campus are advanced research lab, flight laboratory, startup incubation center, swimming pool, open air theatre, cabs and food courts. And the campus is designed more for academics and research rather than the city exposure. And the IIT Kanpur campus is one of the largest campus in India, and biggest strength is massive strength, and campus feel like a complete town. You can also see the campus is also shown here, and you can also see the swimming pool image is also shown here, and this is the lawn area of IIT Kanpur. And the campus is designed more for academics and research rather than the city exposure. Now coming to another important part, now let's discuss the thing IIT Kanpur is famous for: academic difficulty, academic review, academic reality. So difficulty level is very high. IIT Kanpur is famous for its difficult academics. The academic reality, there will be tough assignment, frequent quizzes, strong mathematical focus, heavy workload. Many students say IIT Kanpur is among the toughest IIT academics. Now, talking about the faculties or the professors, many professors publish internationally, work on government projects, collaborate with global universities. Students often praise faculty expertise, research opportunities, academic freedom. And IIT Kanpur biggest strength is research, and many professors have a strong research faculty. Now, you can also see that there is a research culture, strong opportunities exist in AI, ML, infrastructure research, renewable energy, robotic and earth science. And research at IIT Kanpur can open world-class opportunities. MS abroad, PhD programs, research internships and global academic careers. You can also see the academic block is shown here, it is here, and the graduation ceremony photo is also shown here, and some of the students enjoying in the class is also displayed here. Now coming to the next topic, that is when it comes to coding culture, IIT Kanpur is legendary. Many students considered IIT Kanpur as one of the strongest coding campus in India. Top branches include computer science, programming, artificial intelligence and machine learning, electrical engineering, aerospace engineering, and areas where IIT Kanpur excels is competitive programming, AI/ML, robotics, data science, mathematics. It is common to see students participating in code courses, lead code, ICPC hackathons, open source projects. Coding is not just a skill here; it is part of culture. Now let's talk about hostel life. So hostel life at IIT Kanpur is one of the most memorable part for students because most students spend their entire journey inside campus. Hostel facilities include Wi-Fi and LAN facilities, multiple hostels for UG and PG students, sports courts, reading rooms, common rooms, mass facilities, and most students stay inside campus. And students describe campus life as independent, competitive, and fun at night. And it is coding oriented. Late night coding session and project culture are common. Now, you will often find students debugging code at 2 a.m., preparing for contest at 3 a.m., and discussing startup ideas till sunrise. The downside is talking about the mass food reality. Some mixed options are here, decent compared to many colleges. Repetitive food issue exists, and now also talking about this IIT Kanpur has some old buildings. You will also see some hostels are old and mess food gets repetitive, but overall hostel culture is considered one of the IIT's Kanpur strength. Now, life at IIT Kanpur is not only about studies. You can also see some of the positive and negative points here. Strong boarding culture will be there. You can see a student playing in that stretching rope game and better freedom compared to many colleges. Active hostel events, and some of the negative points are negligible, that some hostels are old and maintenance quality varies, and mess food quality is inconsistent. Now you can also see the food area is also shown here, and the canteen is also shown, and students are having their lunch. Now you can also see this academic hostel, academic and hostel, and along with that that canteen photo is also displayed, and student playing game is also shown here. Now hostel culture is very active. We have already discussed about it: coding culture, LAN activities, and departmental and hostel competitions. And now these are also some of the images. Now, life at IIT Kanpur is not only about studies. The biggest cultural festivals are Antrangi, filled with concert, competition, performance. See, you can see Antrangi IIT Kanpur, India's iconic cultural festival since 1965. And one more festival is Tech Kriti, one of India's most technical festival. Tech Kriti 2025 image is also displayed here, where the higher officers are called, and you can also see the Antrangi festival is also shown here. So one of the India's largest tech festival. Student can also join programming clubs, robotic team, finance group, music and dance clubs, gaming communities, and students say opportunities are massive if you actively participate. Now you can see the student life reviews also shown here. And now coming to the most important topic, now let's discuss placement. One of biggest reason student dream of IIT Kanpur. So the approximate salary range for computer science engineering student, it is 35 LPA to 60 LPA. For electrical engineering it is 25 to 40 LPA, and for core branches it is 15 to 30 LPA. And talking about the top recruiters and top companies that often come to IIT Kanpur are Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, Qualcomm, Goldman Sachs, Uber, Apple, and these are all top recruiters. But behind this reality, not everyone get top packages. Students mention coding skills matter heavily, internship performance matters, competition is extremely intense, and global hiring slowdown has affected placement across IITs in recent years. So skills matter a lot, internship matters, project matters. The IIT take alone not only open doors. Now startup and research culture review. IIT Kanpur has a very strong technical innovation culture. Strong areas are aerospace startups, AI startups, cybersecurity product, and robotics deep tech solution. The peer group is extraordinary here at IIT Kanpur. Now, you can also see a strong culture of hackathons, networking, venture building, and you will meet JEE toppers, competitive coders, researchers, startup founders, and Olympiad achievers. The peer group can motivate rapid growth but can also create pressure. Now, city and connection reality or connectivity reality. Kanpur city is less developed compared to Mumbai or Delhi. Corporate exposure outside campus is lower. Campus life become the primary ecosystem. Some students feel isolated initially. The students who succeed here are not necessarily the smartest. They are often the most disciplined, the most consistent, and the most adoptable. And Sunside Shores of IIT Kanpur is very good. Now, talking about one of the important point, that is fees review or fee structure. So, tuition fee may vary from 1 to 2 lakh per year, and hostel plus mess fees may vary from 30,000 to 60,000 per year. And along with this, talking about the scholarship facility is good financial aid available for SC, ST and EWS, or merit scholarship are also provided to some of the students. And one Reddit student shared that scholarship covered most expenses due to low family income. And gender ratio is still male dominated in many branches but improving gradually. And talking about the mental pressure and stress reality, academic pressure is intense, burnout is common, and competition culture and comparison culture exist. The student who balance academic, social life and health usually enjoy IIT Kanpur much more. Now, pros and cons. So, pros: extremely strong coding culture, excellent placement, strong research ecosystem, amazing peer group, and huge campus. And negative points are very difficult academics, high stress level, Kanpur city exposure is limited, some old hostel infrastructure, and competitive environment can fail. Now, who should join IIT Roorkee? So, you should join IIT Kanpur. Sorry, by mistake it is displayed as Roorkee. We are talking about IIT Kanpur. So, you should join or consider IIT Kanpur if you love coding and problem solving, you enjoy technical depth, you want strong research opportunities, you can handle intense academics. Avoid joining only for IIT social media, high package expectation alone, or brand tech without skill. So, now doing the overall rating or approx overall rating of IIT Kanpur campus. For campus we will give 9 out of 10, for placement 9.5 out of 10, because placement here are very good and very excellent. Hostel life is 8.5 out of 10, academics 9.5 out of 10, coding culture 10 out of 10, research ecosystem 9.5 out of 10, startup culture 8.5 out of 10, and return of investment here is excellent. IIT Kanpur is not for everyone, but if you love technology, coding, innovation, and deep learning, it can completely transform your career, and that is the reality of IIT Kanpur. Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur is one of India's strongest institute for coding, technical depth, research, aerospace, and innovation. It is ideal for students who genuinely enjoy engineering, can handle pressure, and want to grow in a highly competitive technical ecosystem. So at the end of the video, we have also provided some of the useful resources like IIT Kanpur official websites, IIT Kanpur admission portal, IIT Kanpur SISC startup hub, and IIT Kanpur campus life, or the academics or the department website are also displayed here. And you can also visit some of the placement website which will be also shown below the video. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe to Deco Result Official, and we will meet you in the next college review. Thank you for watching.